Education is a basic human right that is deprived of a girl child in Africa. According to UNESCO, 16 million of these never set foot in class. ZStudy is an innovative platform that bridges this gap. I'm Kefas Kalembo, CTO for ZStudy. We have built a platform that serves the underprivileged minorities to strive and bring inclusive education to everyone. We also designed and supplied to these learners 57 STEM kits, and we won the 2022 STEM Award in Zambia.
Our innovative product, ZStudy, is an AI-powered learner-centered platform available on both web and app. I am Binel Dawale, Operations Manager for the ZStudy project. Furthermore, ZStudy provides comprehensive video lessons with clear visual illustrations and exam preparation materials to all learners from primary education to tertiary education. The platform has also incorporated STEM education through our specially designed STEM boards. These STEM boards serve as a basis for designing and developing more than 30 projects and is complemented by a reference manual that provides comprehensive guidance for enhanced learning.
ZStudy is a game changer in the education system. My name is Shekinah Mkondola, ZStudy Marketing Manager. With our flexible learning methodologies, girls and boys can now learn at their own pace and schedule. Our STEM bootcamps and virtual labs provide learners with an opportunity to venture into STEM careers. With a variety of learning styles, ZStudy has also addressed issues of expensive tuitions, lack of quality education, and a high rate of school dropouts. We are confident that our innovative solution will transform the way learners engage with education.